seen them on the street somewhere because those things are awesome.
Yeah, they're going to take a while to work out the bugs, but they may.
They are.
And there'll always still be a Ford, but.
Yeah.
Oh, he's going the hard line. You locked? Were you smoking and locking?
Fucking America.
Why don't you fire off some 45s too?
Them 80s in the back.
There you go. Just keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Hey, whoa, whoa. You're going to have to bump that ledge. Back up. Hey.
Dragging your bumps.
Yeah. Hey. Back up about 3 or 4 more inches. Right there. Right there. Now bump it. I don't know what that was.
Just your bumper. I believe it's the bumper on the rock.
All right. You don't need a bumper to get home.
Nah. Watch my wheel straight?
Yeah.
No, you're to the left. Half a turn to pass.
No, hey, come over, driver. A little more, driver. A little more, driver. There you go. Hey, you're not going to crawl that ledge. You're going to have to bump it if you want to get up it.
Roll up to it first, though.
He already did.
I just lost my seatbelt. Going down. I'm coming back up. Got the right line? Am I going to the right spot?
As good as you're going to get, I think. Hey, you want to put your driver in that crevice right there once you get up above the ledge. See that?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Just aim for that. And then start turning driver if you get up there. All right, here's the ledge.
All bumper. All bumper.
Yeah. That's a hell of a ledge, man. Hey, remember your fucking air conditioning condenser.
How close is it?
I don't know, but you're going to fuck it up maybe if you don't watch out. Because you're bouncing right near that ledge.
Hang on, hey, hang on. Don't get too crazy. If you come this way, I bet you could do it. You're hitting the wall. Right there's a little bit more of a stair step. Just go easy with it. Don't be ugly, Luke. Pass it, pass it. Go a little more passenger, maybe. You want to just miss this wall.
There you Whoa, whoa, whoa.
So freaking close.
You got another ledge to get over.
Back up too far. Now you're going to lose it. Come on, back up. You've already lost it. You got about 6 inch drop.
Hey, turn a little driver.
All right, hang on.
Don't you think, Zach? Turn driver?
Yeah, drive straight up that. You've got your tires aimed right at a goalie. You might actually pull that out. Yeah, don't change. Don't change. Shoot it again. Stay right there. Let that pull. Go. That's a brake shit.
Yeah.
Hang on, right there.
Too much skinny pedals.
wet. Let's see what you're losing it on.
Ledges. He's almost bottoming.
Straighten it up.
Is he bottoming out on that ledge right there, Zach?
He ain't hit yet straight. Go with it. Yeah. Do that.
Oh.
Slip.
Hey, hold on. We don't want him.